Find features that distinguish it from other brands for VEVOR Snow Machine, 650-watt wireless remote control, snowmaker machine. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include efficient snow production. The VEVOR Snow Machine features a powerful 650-watt motor and a 1 liters large capacity water tank, allowing it to produce a continuous stream of realistic snowflakes. With a 3 to 5 meter spray distance and a 1-0 coverage area, it ensures your space is beautifully blanketed in snow. Stable performance. Equipped with an advanced electronic temperature control system and high-quality chips, the machine uses a high-pressure air pump to transform snow fluid, not included, into snowflakes. It operates with stability and smooth performance for reliable results. Easy to use. The adjustable snow output speed makes it easy to adapt to different settings and create the romantic atmosphere for any event. The snow machine comes with a wireless remote control that works within a range of 32.8 to 65.6 feet, ensuring convenient operation. The snow-making machine features a switch, clearly labeled outlets, and an English manual for straightforward use. A visible flow meter allows you monitor fluid levels and refill as needed, with anti-dry burn security. Secure and reliable. The snow-making machine's shell is made of premium metal with a painted finish, offering durability, high strength, heat resistance, corrosion resistance, and rust prevention. Its excellent heat dissipation ensures a long product lifespan and repeated use. Wide application. Equipped with a handle for easy portability, this fake snowmaker is ideal for stage performances, shopping malls, scenic areas, weddings, corporate events, and television shows. It's perfect for enhancing the atmosphere at parties, concerts, DJ sets, weddings, home gatherings, and karaoke events. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.